ṣé kéwọ́ the ultimate fẹ́ fi èrú gbàbùkún ni ṣé kì í ṣọmọ Ìjẹ̀bú Òde ni. Some people are even saying it's from oríṣiríṣi ó sọ pé ọ̀nà pé èèyàn mi ní Ẹ̀pẹ́ èèyàn mi ní Odògbódú but my concern.
ẹ káàbọ̀ sí olùkọ́ni ẹ wo ẹ jẹ́ ká farabalẹ̀ ṣe rí fídíò sẹ́ẹ̀ wò lọ yìí a máa play fún yín níbi tí wọ́n ti tú pẹ̀rẹ̀pẹ̀rẹ̀ àṣírí gbogbo bó ṣe ń lọ pátápátá ẹ ti mọ̀ wípé táwọn bá ti rí báyà wa kì í sọ ètí a bá sọ gan ayẹpa ti ṣe wádìí kúlẹ̀kúlẹ̀ pé ṣó ti tó ní ọ̀rọ̀ yìí kó tó di pé àmú wá sórí kan ní fún ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ wa láti máa jẹ ìgbádùn gbogbo bó ṣe ń lọ lágbo òṣèré ìwọ tó bá ti subscribe bóyá subscribe kó lè túbọ̀ máa jẹ ìgbádùn gbogbo bó ṣe ń lọ pátápátá lágbo òṣèré bóyá ká sojú abẹ́ǹkó bóyá.
is gbogbo alamọ̀ pé wọ́n ti ń claim Ìjẹ̀bú Òde ti pẹ́ but one thing that I know tó dẹ̀ máa fi ń kọrin ó máa ń sọ pé àwọn ọmọ Fìdípọ̀tẹ̀ làwọn ànìgbà tó dẹ̀ jẹ́ olórí ọmọ ọba yẹn ó wà nínú lẹ́tà yẹn tó ti post ẹ̀ síta àwọn ayé ti post ẹ̀ síta pé wọ́n sọ pé he is from Fìdípọ̀tẹ̀ so ẹ̀yin èèyàn ṣé torí pé wọ́n fẹ́ jọba ni wọn ò ṣe mọ ibi tán ti wá ni àbí wọ́n mọ̀ọ́mọ̀ ṣe is it from Fìdípọ̀tẹ̀ or Fẹ̀ṣùgbù wa ní bíkọ́ orúkọ yẹn lọ lẹ́nu mi or ṣe Jàdí Àrà ó tó bí orúkọ mẹ́rin tá ti ń gbọ́ ń sìn bọ́ nǹkan tí ò yé èmi tí ó Peter my TikTok is Maureen Badejo's TV lásán ni if you put Maureen Badejo's TV you will see me there sorry mi ò tètè wo kíní mi my TikTok is Maureen Badejo TV Maureen Badejo just my Maureen Badejo ní TikTok mi ṣé ẹ̀yin èèyàn yìí ẹgbọ́n nǹkan tí bọ̀dá yìí sọ there's another brother
ọ̀sẹ̀ tó kọjá yẹn ní àwọn èèyàn tí ń pè mí tán tí ń béèrè pé eléyìí tí mo ṣe ní òyìnbó yẹn pé ó dáa o ṣùgbọ́n ṣé mi ò lè ṣe kan ní èdè abínibí tiwa ni mo dẹ̀ wo pé òkè ọ̀rọ̀ tó ń sọ mi ò gbọ́dọ̀ gbé jù nù. sí ẹ kálẹ́ o ẹ káàsán ẹ káàárọ̀ ní ibikíbi tí ẹ bá ti ń gbọ́ mi. ní nǹkan bí ọ̀sẹ̀ kan sẹ́yìn sí mo ṣe fídíò kan lórí gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ gbogbo rògbòdìyàn tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ní ilẹ̀ Ìjẹ̀bú lórí afẹ́fi Awùjalẹ̀ míì sórí ìtẹ́. láti ọ̀sẹ̀ tó kọjá yẹn ni àwọn èèyàn tí ń pè mí tán tí ń béèrè pé eléyìí tí mo ṣe ní òyìnbó yẹn pé ó dáa o ṣùgbọ́n ṣé mi ò lè ṣe kan ní èdè abínibí tiwa ni mo dẹ̀ wo pé òkè ọ̀rọ̀ tó ń sọ mi ò gbọ́dọ̀ gbé jù nù.
àbí bọ̀dá Wàsíù mi ò mọ ibi tó ti wá bí wọ́n fẹ́ ṣe màgòmágó nǹkan tó wá bèrè kíní kan lọ́wọ́ àwọn èèyàn mo ní ṣé àwọn tí wọn ò ní ẹ̀gbọ́n bàbá ni wọn ò ní family ni wọn ò ní ìran from àṣà ní gbogbo generation wọn ò tí ì lè lọ tán náà àwọn tó jẹ́ ẹbí wọn níbẹ̀ yẹ kó jáde kó sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ jọ̀ọ́ tí bọ́mọ Yorùbá ní gbogbo wa is from Ìjẹ̀bú and entitled to the throne Ọ̀tẹ́dọ́lá ṣètìlẹ̀ àwọn kan ní is from Ìjẹ̀bú and is entitled to the throne so why are the Afọbajẹ and all of them why not
nífẹ̀ẹ́ sí èdè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì torí ẹ̀ ni mo sọ pé ok màá gbìyànjú láti túmọ̀ gbogbo nǹkan tí mo sọ ní ọ̀sẹ̀ tó kọjá màá gbìyànjú láti tún sọ. Orúkọ tèmi ní Adétòkunbọ̀ Adébọ̀wálé Adébámbọ̀ ọmọ Prince Adéwálé Adéìtàn Adébámbọ̀ tó jẹ́ ọmọkùnrin ìkejì fún Prince Nasiru Ali Adéríbigbé Adébámbọ̀ tó jẹ́ ọmọkùnrin fún late Awujale Adesimbo Tunwase Aboki. Mo dẹ̀ tún rò náà pé béèyàn bá ṣe ń júwe lé bàbá ẹ̀ ó yẹ kó lè júwe lé ìyá ẹ̀ náà, torí èèyàn ò jáde ní bàbá kó má níyà.
Kò possible.
Orúkọ ìyá tèmi ní Cecilia Olúbùkúnọlá ní Balógun. Ó jẹ́ ọmọ fún Chief Samuel Ogunsanya Balógun, Chief S.O. Balógun ní Ìjẹ̀bú-Òde. Chief S.O. Balógun ní Principal Secretary fún Awujale Adesanya tó wàjà kó tó kan Awujale Síkírù Káyọ̀dé Adétọ̀nà. Nínú fídíò tí mo dẹ̀ ṣe ní ọ̀sẹ̀ tó kọjá yẹn, mo sọ ìdí tí mo fi ń ṣe fídíò yẹn. Ilé Fúnṣẹ́gbúwà ni èmi ti wá. Mo jẹ́ kanú àwọn ọmọ Awujale Adesimbo Tunwase nílé Fúnṣẹ́gbúwà. Ìdílé wa ló wà ní Àgùnṣẹ́gbé nílé ńlá. Ó ti ṣe díẹ̀ tàti kúrò nílé. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Ìjẹ̀bú-Òde ló gbogbo. Lèmi ti lọ sí ilé ìwé mẹ́wàá.
Send invite o.
Àmọ́ ilé tí mo bá padà sí ilé ní Àgùnṣẹ́gbé ní èní tẹ́sẹ̀ pé.
Good evening, sir. How are you? Ẹ káalẹ́.
Good evening, ma. I'm fine. I'm good to see your face.
Thank you. It's been long.
I'm looking for a way to connect with you.
Really?
My co-class using. Both of us are using glasses.
How are you?
Don't worry, I will connect with you. I'm fine. I will connect with you better. I like your program.
Oh, thank you.
I just like it. And
thank you.
I'll be commenting on your posts.
Are you from Ijebu?
I'm not from Ijebu.
I want somebody from that place. Go. But there's something you said something that is not from there. Why do you say so?
Let me tell you something, eh?
Okay.
Kinship. Kinship is not about popularity. It's not about to have money. You understand? For somebody to be a king, even though he's from there, even though what sees from that place, with his character in the public, you know, there is a place in the Bible that says, he that wants to be elder in the church. Let me use an elder as an example. The person must be blameless. The person must have character.
That's correct.
You should forget about it. He has money. You understand? It's purely because he has money, he's popular with politicians, he could just... He has already said he's from Fidipote.
Yeah, that was before.
So many times.
That was before.
Yes, so why now? That's kinship, the Awujale. I think the man that's supposed to be the Awujale, that's ophthalmologist.
Yeah, that doctor.
You know that man?
I think he's Mr. Adeleke something.
That doctor I think he's the one that's supposed to be that king.
Why do you say so? Why do you say he's supposed to? What are your criteria? Is it because you feel King Wasiu doesn't have character? Is that what you are saying?
No, not because of that.
So why?
It's not even. It's the family that the kingship belongs to. It's not even from Ijebu. It's not from Fusheguwa. They have the next family that's supposed to produce it.
No, the next family that's supposed to is Fusheguwa. And he claimed that he's from that Fusheguwa and Fidipote.
They should go to them.
But you honestly, they all disown him. So many letters outside. They are claiming he's not from there.
I think that's what's it called? That's ophthalmology. That's ophthalmology. I think if they were to produce king now, ophthalmology is from Ijebu now.
Yes, it's not only him. There are about 5.
About 5 of them. I think the Olori Ebi want to choose that ophthalmology.
You can't speak. You can't say that yet because we have to wait till like on the 19th or so.
He can't be king. It's not possible. It's not possible.
You are saying it from your. I think what you are saying is not correct. I'm sorry. You said because you have personal issues with him, that's why you feel he can't be king.
No. He's not. He's not the one that's supposed to be king.
Hope you know it's not. It's not Oracle that choose the king. It's the government that choose the king these days.
No. It's not. Ijebu. If Ijebu, that was Awujale. Maureen, that was Awujale. They know the person they want. See, Ijebu, like woman said, they don't have. I think I saw the post on your post. The woman said they don't have gun, but they have.
Yeah, there's one woman that said so. Obìnrin.
I saw it on your post. I follow you very well.
But you see, sir, this your point is not enough. He can maybe by the time he will become the king, he can. But come to think of it, Wasiu will be a better king. Ìgbádùn àpọ̀ ní Ìjẹ̀bú yẹn, Ìjẹ̀bú ládàá á dùn bàjẹ́.
Yes, no, I don't have personal issue with him. But he's already a king already.
Yes, that my own is already a king.
He's a king in his
so right, honestly. But my concern is there is none of us kò sẹ́ni tó wà nínú bíbá tó ń gbọ́ mi lálẹ́ yìí tí ò nílé bàbá, tí ò nílé ìyá, tí ò mọbi tóun ti ṣẹ̀ wá, tí ò ní ẹbí bàbá, tí ò ní àwọn tí wọ́n máa mú jáde. Wọ́n ní 798 kó mú àwọn ẹbí àwọn bàbá dídé ìran keje. The form tí èmi kà ó kọ̀kọ́ orúkọ bàbá ẹ̀ orúkọ ìyá ẹ̀. I think orúkọ bàbá that was all. Kò ṣe nǹkan tó ní kàn ṣe yẹn because èní ní deadline tó fún wọn. Wọ́n extend ẹ̀ fún till 10th of December. But my concern is it because he wants to be king? Is that why he has to change ibi tó ti wá ni?
Telling you, you can't be moving from one place to other. You've already said you are from Fidipote, which everybody knows about it. And in the letter, the former Awujale gave him.
Yeah. As Olori Omoba.
The person that's supposed to be Olori Omoba is supposed to be from that Fidipote. So why? Because somebody is responding to me now. I don't know. I mean, I don't like.
Who is responding to you?
Talking immature. The person said, if he be king, go remove him. I don't like this statement. I will not accept it. I will not accept it. Because you are trying to, the person is being emotional, being personal about it. It's so clear. He too said it's from Fidipote.
But did you listen to his last music that he sent out? He said it's from both Fidipote and is it Fusengbuwa?
Why is the letter they wrote to him? Why didn't the letter stated Fidipote and Fusengbuwa that time? I'm sure that period they made him the what's it called? Olori Omoba.
Yes. When Otuba Shubumi died, that was when
it was on Shubatu. This is not showing it because of excuse me.
This one doesn't even know what he's doing. He said, host, I have a suggestion. Let VP Osinbajo or Chief Awo grandson be the next king of Ijebu. They are from Ikene. They can't be Ijebu. They don't. I'm sure this person is not Yoruba that typed this. Oh, Jora.
See, I like your kind of program. I don't just join people on TikTok because you're intellectual. That's why I'm here. Don't bring anybody here. It's not for small people. It's just for people.
Honestly, I want to know why King Wazoo changed from Fidipote. Ola the Great, how are you, my brother? Good evening. Ẹ̀yin ọmọ Ìjẹ̀bú mò ń bẹ̀ yín, especially if you are from this from that you're from Ijebu Ode and you know much about this thing, come and educate us. Ẹ káalẹ́ sir, ẹ káàbọ̀.
You can speak.
Go ahead, sir.
Go ahead. Yeah, that's all morning. It's morning.
Ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́ sir. Ẹ jọ́ kọ̀ pẹ̀lú sir.
Yep. So, I'm going to see you. Nobody need. Kinaya. Chef. Eh, sir? Fidipote. Fidipote. Àwọn mẹ́rin.
Gbọ́ kẹrin, mo gbọ́ Aníkìláyà, mo gbọ́ Fùsẹ̀gbọ́à, mo gbọ́ Fìdípọ̀tẹ̀, kí ni kẹrin? Ó kò gbélé gbúwà. Thank you.
Àwọn mẹ́rin yẹn.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Aníkìláyà women house.
Okay, sir.
Then Fidipote. Tí Wàsíù tó ti wá nìyẹn tó ní claim.
Okay.
Adétọ̀nù Fàgbésọ̀yà ló wá láti ó ti yẹ.
Okay.
Ó ti yẹ.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Báyìí. Wọ́n lè máa ń bẹ̀rẹ̀ tí o ìṣẹ̀gùn wà lórí àwọn tó pọ̀. Ṣé? Wà lórí àwọn fún wọ́n sì láàrin àwọn lórí àwọn fìfẹ́ tí wọ́n claim àwọn kan wà jọ pé wọ́n sọ pé olórí ẹbí apá kan wọ́n bára wọn jà.
So wọ́n ti wà divided at the moment.
Wọ́n divided tẹ́lẹ̀. Wọ́n ti ṣe meeting.
Okay.
Settle different scenarios. That they also have the right to that royal lineage through the Fushebuwa royal family house. You understand?
Kò ṣe true ìyá ẹ̀ ni àbí true bàbá ẹ̀ because ìyá is from Ìlúpéjú Èkìtì. Ṣé bàbá ẹ̀ yẹn náà ló tọmọ méjèèjì?
Ọ̀pọ̀ tó máa jẹ́ ìyẹn because bàbá ẹ̀ wá láti Èkìtì. It's according to what I'm going to say. This my man, inside my man. Amara, part my man, one láti Ijebu Ode, ní royal family.
Okay. Somebody says a paternal grandma.
Yes. So that is what he's claiming. And that part any Ushebuwa. Don't try to contest the first thing. And everybody has the right. In every Mr. Sherry's event. Sherry's event. Emma Binosa. Yes. Okay. Yes. Okay. And I continue.
Mr. Charles, continue.
Continue. So, shall we ruling house? Is a house. Your family here. Different people were not one bed. Different thing branches not to from that ruling house. So it's not left to you to not prove that particular branch of the ruling house where you come from. Do you understand? Would there be any person? Would there be I'm only Baba? Go on, be only a don't be more repetitive. So go my focus. Different branches of that house.
So mother side don't claim some ọmọbìnrin jà Awujale Ijebu Ode.
Why not? Ọba tó jẹ gbẹ̀yìn. Ètò ìjẹ̀bi fún Adétọ̀nù.
Ọmọbìnrin
ni. Ló ti jọba náà.
So Wàsíù lè jẹ́ dẹ̀.
Ọba Adésọ̀yà tó jẹ before Adétọ̀nù. Kérébù wà ní second. Tó wà bẹ́ẹ̀ for about 33 years. Ilé ìyá ẹ̀ ló ti jọba. Tó ti fẹ́ fún jọba nìyẹn. So other thing tí wàá bẹ̀rẹ̀ ni pé I'm rotate here, right? With one the next family house to come, the next royal house to come. There'll be a problem in that royal house, and they want to resolve it.
Àwọn àgbè lọ sọ́dọ̀ fìdí fọ́pọ̀ tẹ̀. Okay. Lẹ́yìn yẹn ta ló wá kàn? Ṣé fìdí pọ̀tẹ̀ ló kàn ni àbí Gbélébùwà yẹn? So ká ní fìdí pọ̀tẹ̀ ló ń lọ ni kò sẹ́ni tó máa bá kéwọ̀ dùn. Okay.
That's what I apply.
Ó ti apply already. Ó ti apply already kì.
I understand that. What was already paid, as long as you can claim the lineage, when you must stop and apply, what they contest. When you go through vetting process and everything, you understand? So what you shake on here. So nísìnyí.
Tó bá lo veto ẹ mọ̀ kó lè lo veto power fún Ìjẹ̀bú ṣá kí ló máa ṣẹlẹ̀? Ṣé ẹ tí ì rò pé tẹ́lẹ̀fọ̀ gbọ́ announcement gbàgàm kí ló fẹ́ ṣẹlẹ̀?
Kò sí ìgbà tó máa ṣẹlẹ̀. Kọ́tà sọ ní pé gbogbo kí ni ẹ̀ wọ́n máa ń ṣe by kí ni ẹ̀ bóyá ìtẹ̀lẹ́ra wọn ni in terms of pé the next in line, you understand?
Àwọn ọba Ìjẹ̀bú yẹn dẹ̀ máa ń tọ́ báyìí.
So that's not pé Ìjẹ̀bú ruling house won't come by. But see any doubt about that. It's not about àwọn tó wẹ́kọ̀ àtẹ̀tàrí proof last page wọ́n pé àwọn ní.
Ṣẹ́rí nínú gbogbo ẹni tó jáde ní Fùṣẹ̀gbùwà wọn sọ pé kì í ṣe àwọn King Wasiu nìkan ṣoṣo òun ni wọ́n bá sọ pé kò ń ṣọmọ ọ̀dọ̀ àwọn pé kó wá prove ẹ̀. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Ranking in between among the different
ruling house.
Ruling house, in that particular ruling house, what the para want to. And for the different was very highly popular.
Tí òun náà ni òun ló popular jù. Òun ló popular jù ní gbogbo ẹni tó ìfẹ́ jáde lọ́wọ́ yìí. Tó bá jẹ́ ti popularity òun ló ní lọ́wọ́. Ó dẹ̀ ní gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì lọ́wọ́. So ó ní gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì lọ́wọ́ bàjẹ́ gidi gan.
Between in the Fushebu ruling house, responsible the government will just make a proclamation. Why they proclaim you understand?
Okay. Mr. Kola, Mr. Chari. What I put Mr. Kolawole fair make the contribution.
Oh, Mr. Chari, thank you so much. You said something about where Wasiu mom come from. What is the name of where Wasiu mom come from?
It's from Ilupeju Ekiti. Wasiu mom is from Ilupeju Ekiti. Hold on, sir. Mr. Ewudu. Hold on. Ẹ jẹ́ kí Mr. Kola sọ̀rọ̀ tán ẹ sọ̀rọ̀, sir.
Okay. Ilupeju Ekiti.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, sir.
Yeah. Is it from Ekiti or Ijebu?
The mother is from Ilupeju Ekiti. Ekiti yàtọ̀ sí Ìjẹ̀bú náà, Mr. Kola.
The mom wants to Mr. Kola's get here. But the mom. Excuse me, sir. Hello.
Mr. Ewedu, can you please mute yourself? Mute yourself. You will speak.
No, we are not here. We are not here to argue, please. Don't argue with anybody.
We are just trying to educate each other. I need láti jà. Hold on.
You said you are learning somebody.
Màá yọ yín o. Màá yọ yín because mi láì bẹ ṣe sọ ẹ dúró the time yín. So bẹ́ẹ̀ni sir. But first and foremost, we are not fighting with anybody here. We are just trying to enlighten ourselves. So, calm down, sir.
I think that's president. When you talk about you, the blind. One baby, báwo ni Wàsíù ṣe jẹ́ ẹlẹ́rìí ìṣọmọ̀jẹ̀. Èmi tí mò ń sọ̀rọ̀ kì í ṣọmọ̀jẹ̀. Láti orin tí Wàsíù ti ń kọ gbogbo ruling house yìí ló fi kọrin. Tí kò ti wá kò sẹ́ni tó jáde síta wípé kò kì í ṣe ìgbé.
Ṣé lè mórí ẹyọ kan tó fi ní òun wá láti fi ṣẹ̀gbọ́ àwòrán? Ẹ lè sẹ́ǹdẹ̀ sí mi.
Ti fi kọ́ pé wọ́n máa ní kí láyà kí àgbọn. Agbógun lọ́rọ̀ gbígbẹ̀. Ǹjẹ́ ó tún fẹ́ pé ọmọ ìlú ohun báwo ni máa ran Mr. Charles event ti sọ gbogbo àwọn area ẹ̀ ó ti fi kọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀kọ́ rin tipẹ́tipẹ́ tí ò sì ní tó jà lẹ́jẹ̀. Láti èrò máa pọ̀ ní ìdígi ilé kan èrò máa pọ̀ àwọn èèyàn máa fi àwọn ọ̀tún. Wọ́n jẹ́ ló máa mú bí máa pè jáde ní tẹ́lẹ̀ èèyàn ó lé èèyàn ní ti pé ká fi ti ìjọba ṣe ó ní gbogbo ẹ̀bẹ̀ táwọn olókù náà tó bá ní èèyàn láti jáde wọ́n wà ìtàkì láti jáde fún wa sọ pé kò kì í ṣe ọmọ Ìjẹ̀bú.
Nobody said he's not from Ijebu.
Ìyọ́n tẹ máa ń ní ìdílé ìyá kí ọdílé àmọ́ pé òun kàn ti sọ pé ìyá òun wá láti Èkìtì ló péjú Èkìtì. Ìyá ẹ̀gbọ́n tún sọ dáhùn kí ìyá yẹn tó rí àwọn wá láti Ìjẹ̀bú lọ sí Èkìtì ni ó dẹ̀ dárúkọ Ifẹ̀. Tẹ́ bá lọ gbogbo àwọn preference kìíní tí Wàsíù ti ṣe sílẹ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ wọ́n ṣe 5 kò ṣe 10 years ló ti sọ. Wọ́n lọ rí pé nídìílé ìyá àti bàbá Ìjẹ̀bú lòun òun dẹ̀ tún lè kílẹ̀mù péjú Èkìtì kò tẹ̀ dárúkọ ìlú péjú pírọ̀tì.
Gbogbo ayé ló mọ̀ pé ìlú péjú ló ti wá kò fi bo orin náà ló fi ń kọ.
Ìgbà tí kíyà ẹ̀ tó kú kíyà ẹ̀ tó kú ló ṣe sọ yẹn. So tí ọba ẹni tó bá ń gbọ́ Wàsíù dáadáa gbogbo ẹ̀ ló ti pọ̀ sẹ́yìn wọ́n ṣe pé.
But the problem now, sir, àwọn ruling houses yẹn sọ pé àwọn dìsóònù ẹ̀.
Yes,
kéèyàn ò ká ní news ni.
Yes, gbogbo ìdílé ló ní gbogbo yẹn èmi àwọn afẹ́mẹ́ṣẹ́ family nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ń bẹ̀ ó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ní ìṣòro tiwa mo fẹ́ ṣe yọ̀ sìn wọ́n yìí sì gbogbo àwọn ìjà kan wípé àwọn ìjà yọ̀ ti jáde nítorí pé ìjà wà níbẹ̀ wọ́n gbọ́dọ̀ mú ọmọ olùjáde. That is it. So bóyá máa ń ṣẹlẹ̀ kiri nìyẹn. So kò jẹ́ bóyá jẹ́ tó ẹ̀ mo ṣe wá sókè nítorí ọ̀rọ̀ tí Mr. Kọ́láwọlé ń sọ. Wọ́n sọ̀rọ̀ nǹkan kan fi pé bí wọ́n ti mọ Wàsíù fún onídọ̀gba nìkan. Nígbà Wàsíù ó máa ń wà controversial nǹkan pẹ̀lẹ́ ó dẹ̀ máa ń ní point pẹ̀lú ìbá controversial. Ó máa ń ní point pẹ̀lú ẹ̀.
But my concern irú èmi bí èmi ṣe wà yìí àwọn kọ̀ọ̀kan ò yé mi. Kò sí ẹni tí ò mọ ibi tí ó ti wá o. Kò síbi tí kò sẹ́ni tí ò mọ ibi tí òun ti wá ọ̀tẹ̀mí ń sọ nìyẹn. Àfi tá a bá fẹ́ ṣàbòsí kò sẹ́ni tí ò mọ ìyá bàbá gbogbo ala ní family la ní ọ̀nkù la ní àǹtì la ní gbogbo ẹ̀ la ní àwọn kọ̀ọ̀kan.
Ìdí igi lóríṣiríṣi láyé ìjẹ́ ó máa ní root.
So
ó máa fọ́ kiri náà. So come out and people can show more.
No, Nikki, he never says he's so much. Mr. Ewedu.
Mr. Maureen, please. I am not here to argue with anybody. The way you come, you came to defend. You are not here to defend. We were just joking. Next time you hear something, the other man, I was just asking him questions of what I don't know. What I don't know, I want to know from him. But next time, you can't be excessive. Be defensive. I'm not saying it's not from each other.
Ẹ̀rí máàlì tó wá yìí fáànì Wàsíù ni Mr. Ewedu yìí. Ẹjọ́ ẹ má jà ẹ jẹ́ kí gbogbo wa we are learn. Ẹ wo ọwọ́ mi. Yes, I'm not me ò ń ṣe fan anybody. Me, I want to learn.
Everybody ẹjọ́ torí Ọlọ́run ẹ bá fi platform mi wá ìfẹsẹ̀ àfikún ìjọ ẹjọ́ torí Ọlọ́run. Àwa lẹ́nu bíbá yìí. Àwa lẹ́nu do me.
Ọjọ́ bí Mr. Ewedu Mr. Ewedu ẹ má jẹ́ ẹjọ́ mo bẹ̀ yín ni ẹ jẹ́ Mr. Kọ́lá ẹjọ́ ẹ jẹ́ àgbàgbé ẹ jẹ́ ká move forward. Mo gbéyàn mi wọlé o mo fẹ́ gbéyàn mi wọlé o. Àwọn ẹ̀yin ọmọ Ìjẹ̀bú especially from Ijebu Ode. Irú Mr. Charles nísìnyẹn ẹni pé ó ń fún wa ẹ ló ẹ káalẹ́ o ẹ káàbọ̀ sórí platform o ẹ káalẹ́ sà Mr. Wedu ẹ káalẹ́ sà.
Sorry, mo fẹ́ bèrè question.
Okay sir.
Ó wá sí Ìbàdàn mọ́ ìjẹ́.
Okay.
But ṣé ó tán mọ́ ní méjì tó lè kó jọba yes or no?
Ẹ bèrè láwọn èmi ò mọ ẹ mọ̀ kọ́ mi ò kì í ṣe ọmọ bẹ̀. Láti ìgbà tẹ́mi ti ń mọ Wàsíù tí mo ti believe mo ti ń gbọ́ orin wọn fìdí pọ̀rọ̀tọ̀ mò ń gbọ́ Mr. Charles ló lè sọ fún wa.
Okay, Mr. Charles, Wàsíù, because according to what I see on the 8th of December, there's a circular of him to present the document kan pé ó tàn mọ́ ìdílé. So is it true, yes or no? I just want to know. That's the first question I want to know.
Mr. Charles ẹ gbà wá ẹ help wa because ọmọ Ìjẹ̀bú Òde ni. Mi mọ̀ bóyá wọn sí nídìí fóònù wọn o but èmi o I can't answer that. I don't know. All I know about him is that he's from Idipote.
No, second. Tabawa sọ bẹ́ẹ̀. That's Tabawa sọ bẹ́ẹ̀. Ó jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ bẹ́ẹ̀. But tó bá jọ bẹ́ẹ̀ pé ó lẹ́tọ̀ọ́ láti contest. Why is it that people, because to me, lóòótọ́ àwọn ọmọ tó gbé back in the days máa ń dá fún
Ifá kọ́ ló ń mú sí Ifá ti jẹ́ ó ti mú ó ti gbà ó bá ti sùn lọ.
I understand. Ó yẹ kó rí bẹ́ẹ̀ nǹkan ti change century la wà where ni even the lọ sí the royal family of the Queen and the King of England wọn náà nǹkan tó bá ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ẹ̀rí pé ọtí abolish àwọn nǹkan mi ọtí mú ìwé fún it's called civilization. Things has changed. Ó ní mú èèyàn tó jẹ́ èèyàn 90 okay ẹ wo okay do you want okay ṣé ká sọ pa Aláàfin of Ọ̀yọ́ ṣe fi pé máa ẹ̀ gangan ló wọ́ọ̀tì láti jẹ́ ṣá.
Mi ò fẹ́ lọ síbẹ̀ yẹn.
Okay, don't let us go there.
I don't want to go there. I don't want to touch that place.
I didn't go that far. I just wanted to.
Mr. Murray, you answer that question, please. Don't answer that question.
Like how?
Don't answer that question.
What happened?
Otherwise, you will just be throwing questions in your mouth. No, that's not what I'm saying. Throwing questions in your mouth.
Mr. Go ahead, Zamungbo. I'm glad you yin.
You know why?
We are listening to you, bros.
Preferable decided to choose some people that are more enlightened and exposed is because of the community. It's because to bring out people. It's because to civilize people. Ó ṣe pé torí fún 83 kan tọmọ láti jẹ tí bàbá 83 bá jẹ ó sì máa pa ó máa fa ìfà sẹ́yìn. Yeah, I went to Osu. I went to Olabisi State, Faba, and Ojijoba. But in the last 2-3 years, Ojijoba has been
top notch
in the map. That is with the help of number one person. That's Farouk.
Oh, China is loud.
That is what I'm talking about. Civilization. Things has changed. Tó bá fẹ́ jọba nísìnyí, wá fi èèyàn kan lásán jọba because of one purpose. Fi civilization jọba kí ìlú yẹn bá lè jọ.
Honestly, if they ask me, Wasiu will have been, because it will be enjoyment galore. Ó dẹ̀ máa tún dùn wọn ṣe. Because Tinubu á torí tiẹ̀. Tinubu máa torí tiẹ̀ a lot of things máa wọ̀nyú. Àwọn fans ẹ̀ máa gbé nǹkan wọlé.
Civilization. Who that he knows back in English and be worthy. He will have the help of the president. He knows many governors.
He knows. Installation allowed tó jẹ́ pé coronation allowed tó jẹ́ pé. Of course, máa lọ ẹ mọ̀ pé mo máa lọ.
So if you take a job back in the same way, tó bá ń jọba ẹ wo somewhere like Elegushi. The former, even Oniru, presently, Oniru, he was also working in Alausa before he became the Oba Oniru. Even
Exactly. One of the commissioner.
He said, I know very well. You don't. I just said it. So even at the person, the guy that was the Oba, presently Oba of Adu now. That is what they call the heart of civilization. In my own part of place, in a word of him, the guy that is the present Oba in a word of him, which is so much.
So you are Lagosians.
On the 20th of this year, the guy also he stays in London. That is the art of civilization. Bringing people that will bring a company, bringing people that will bring people that will make the mistake.
But with Ijebu, the real Ijebu, can you see the level of I can't call it mo try láti ìfẹsọ̀ nǹkan tó wà ṣe mo level of bó ṣe ṣe wọ online ṣàyẹ̀wò nǹkan tó ń go on online. Somebody just said Wasiu can't jump protocol still. They say this is how the country got spoiled. Say they don't want him. Only kò jọ rárá páwọn ò fẹ́.
The Oba to Joba, Awujale. He's almost like 50 years now. So some of us we are very small. Very small. You understand?
Very small.
But Wasiu is almost 70 years. Kokere.
I know. I'm just saying that. Just like you, Oba, when he was there, so some things can change.
People say you are encouraging bad things.
People say I'm encouraging bad things.
That's how.
Well, Tani Wasiu say, hello. Oh, you like it?
Is also controversial.
Do you know that mi ò fẹ́ sọ ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn àwọn tí ò like Wasiu níjẹ̀bú Òde. Wọ́n ní where there is justice and real business move, then you will not choose Alage as a whole respected.
Forgetting that.
Wọ́n ní ọba tí kò ní olórí. Ṣé ibi ganu sí? People say let Wasiu stay in Fidikota and wait for his turn.
No, it's still saying nígbà ọba.
Tó ní kó ganu sí.
Mo pé mostly àwọn èèyàn tó bá ń jọba the last ọba of Awujale. The boys.
Ọba máa ń ní sùúrù ni.
He's a Muslim. So our community Muslim tó wà ní Ìjẹ̀bú Òde kọ́ ní láìpẹ́ fún nǹkan tó ṣe fún wọn last time. Tó ṣe fún wọn nígbà òkú màmá ẹ̀. So àwọn yẹn gan ní tiwọn lọ́wọ́.
Mr. Trico, ṣé nǹkan tó ṣe ọ̀rọ̀ tó sọ yìí ṣé correct àti correct nígbà òkú màmá ẹ̀? Mr. This is boring. That's not what we are here to discuss.
Wọ́n ní ọba tí ò lè tó lé ó fún jẹ gan ni o. You see, this man will use this opportunity. Wasiu ní láti lo opportunity yìí.
Tinubu jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ.
No, ẹ má àwọn kankan wà tó jẹ́ pé Wasiu máa fi bùgá pa yín ní Ìjẹ̀bú Òde.
Whatever you ask you, ọba Ìwó àti Wasiu ta ló wá náà ti jù.
Ṣé pé ìwọ tún bẹ́ẹ̀ ta wá? Ó bẹ́ẹ̀ ta ìwọ, ó bẹ́ẹ̀ ta ẹ̀ o.
Ó tọ́ ni
ó lè pọ̀ olúwo ní problem pọ̀ láwọn aráàlú ẹ̀. Ẹ má padà lọ síbẹ̀ yẹn. Yes, olúwo náà ní swagi.
No, okay, ta ló arrogant jù.
Mi ò wò kò sí ẹjẹ́ àdúró lórí Wasiu ẹ má wà mí lọ sí mi ò fẹ́ sẹ́.
Don't say anything.
Sorry, man.
Wọ́n ti ní wèrè lábí wò wèrè.
Sorry, it's a level of civilization.
But tó bá jẹ́ pé ká kó pé kó jẹ́ kó gbádùn kó ṣayé Wàsíù ni.
Actually, smash. So, let's more worry, we know more worry. Why? That's for science or for my music.
Ó lè rẹ́ ni o. Aláàjì Wàsíù ẹni láti lọ change.
Seamless Jerry together, Seamless Jerry, Josco and Co. Ni ẹni tó ń bá yín sọ̀rọ̀, gbogbo àlejò wà together mo tó di pé padà sí Island. So ìjọba rojú mi ẹ̀ mọ̀ bí ìjẹ́ nìyẹn. Akẹ́ àkọ́kọ́ dákẹ́ kọ́kọ́ wò ìfẹ́ rẹ̀ tí wọ́n lé tó.
Oh my God o.
Ṣé máa ní lẹ́sọ̀ ní pé ẹ wo bọ́dà sọ ní level of civilization and èyí tó mọ̀yàn sí the ọba of Ọbàdàn nígbà tí bàbá jẹ ọba nígbà tó máa kọ́ give first speech what he asked is he looked at the president and he said àwa Ọ̀yọ́ àti Ìbàdàn àti ń demand for state I think it's like time you give us a state.
Wàsíù oníwọ̀ta bọ́ọ̀dù kí ni máa ní í ṣe fún yín ẹ̀yin ọmọ Nàìjíríà.
Ẹ̀wọ̀n tí Ìbàdàn ẹ̀wọ̀n kan tó sọ.
They say civilization does not promote moral decadence. Àwọn èèyàn ní.
Civilization does not promote moral decadence. No, it doesn't matter.
You know a lot of people does for real a lot of people ṣe ní Ìjẹ̀bú Òde yẹn tí wọ́n bá ní kó di ìbò kò ní wọlé o. Opinion poll. Go out there. Go. Wọ́n lè lo bẹ́ẹ̀ tó fa ọ̀lẹ́ wọn lórí o. But go out there. Go and check.
Àwọn tó fẹ́ contest pẹ̀lú ẹ̀ nìkan jáde.
Àwọn yóò ti jáde.
Àwọn òun náà jáde individual.
Ṣé kí ká fún yín ó ti tó mẹ́jọ ọ̀gá?
I will come back. Sorry, give me some minutes.
Either they like it or not with the look of things. Kúnlé Ṣítù ó dà bẹ́ẹ̀ o. Ó dà pé Wàsíù ilé ìjọba o. Because only the problem àwọn people yóò rí kò sí ẹni tó ní nǹkan tó ní for now. Ó lè má níwà o. But gbogbo nǹkan tó fi ń di ọba lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ yìí òun ló ní jù. CBN ẹ yọ ìwà kúrò CBN. To me from all the one I've seen because kì í ṣe ìbò kì í ṣe Ifá òun ọba mọ́ gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì ló ń yàn wọ́n ìwà jẹ́ wọ́n fi ń jọba ìwà ní kókó tó mo ní tẹ́ bá yọ ìwà kúrò. I hope the position bring power. No, the position bring power and authority regardless of the person. So, Alagbe. But Odojue of Ijebu Ode. Can we request ma? Kí lẹ fẹ́ request yo? What do you want to request yo? Good evening, Sister Aderonkela. Where are you from Ijebu Ode?
Oh, my mom is from Ijebu, but I'm from Ibadan anyway.
Okay. So you want to... Let's have your contribution, ma.
You are making me laugh actually with all this your analysis. So, so anyway, like I've always said, right? Let's look at it in different ways.
Okay.
First thing, Wàsíù is an entertainer. Okay?
Confirm.
He's an entertainer. The unfortunate thing is he does not know where to entertain. He thinks everything in life is all about entertainment. Okay? He's a good entertainer. He's making waves. In fact, his head is at the peak of his career. Nobody's beating him to his game. He's fine. But sometimes some things in life seem more serious than just entertainment and songs and other stuff. Where he is at the moment, he can misbehave. You see, in life, it's not only about your position, the money, the wealth of mamas, or sometimes you see this character, we are all touching like it's nothing. The character, these our characters, it carries more weight than the wealth amassed. I'm telling you. Character goes a long way.
And that's what they are using against him now.
Yeah, because it goes a long. In fact, it should carry. If it were to be like it's a school mark, this is where the interviewer, the examiner, will say this carries 90%. The rest is 5%. I'm telling you. To say Joba a whole. Ijebu is not just any roadside place. It's not just any place you can just march on and just. We have elites in Ijebu. They are all well read, most of them. Ijebu is not just any place you can just walk on and do whatever you want to do. No, stop it. Disrespect Ijebu. They think that you can even put your name down for such. To be honest, it's a disrespect to Ijebu.
Wow,
to Ijebu.
Oh my God, Joe.
It doesn't think it's a joke. What does it think Awujale means to all of us from Ijebu?
Wow.
You sure what I'm Jerome? Tom saw what one sorrow Awujale. It comes to, you see, in Yoruba race, okay? When we have to talk of the
Sister Jerome, can I say something? Hope you know that Olori Omoba is closer to the king. Ṣé bàbá yẹn ò wò dáadáa tẹ́lẹ̀ kó fi jẹ Olórí Ọmọọba ni? Do you remember ipò tó bọ́ sí? Bàbá Ṣùbọ́mí mà ni. Ṣùbọ́mí Balógun ló wà lórí ipò yẹn.
That I would Sherry, in as much as I don't want to, I'm a young girl, I don't want to disrespect these obas, okay? I don't want to disrespect the throne. I became so looking, did you came just for pushing on our cover a lara or to have a big anymore? Sherry, it's totally dying in Daru everything we do in Nigeria. Sherry, you understand what I'm saying? Mago, what I want you beside Benny. Understand? I'm telling you, I'm telling you, but because it was the Oba then, we couldn't ask him, we couldn't really challenge him.
Because they love him.
So his position, you understand? Only transactional at that point. But the king, this throne itself is not transactional. You should go and sit down. So I say, go back gas okay. The time was like bear no ring what to show balan or about rainy. No, not to talk my job about rain. Look at Jay, come people my Awujale. Emi go up, see me one last Ijebu, one see me no one last Ijebu. But the way they respect Ijebu kingdom, the way they respect Awujale
is highly. Gbogbo ìgbà táwọn ọba yẹn ṣe rádaràda tó ń lọ sábùjá lọ máa gbowó ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀ bàbá yẹn ò ṣe.
Saying of about winning, telling you. You don't go just taban sherry auto. It doesn't take it is. This is very true. The ordinary no lazy clown. Will it inu leg?
Well, I think
yeah, because it's
what I did.
Any second break tables that stuff and call it with the
break table, break it.
We have to say it as it is. We all know what's going on. We're not that young anymore.
Thank you, Mr. Daru. Thank you.
Sharing, serious. I said, my own spirit, they meeting me with one Awujale. I felt so disrespected. Kill Sherry, I'm such
I want to make my two judges,
my paternal parents, to my dad, everybody's from Ijebu. It's only my dad's father that came to me.
People are even saying let him withdraw immediately.
Send by grocery to go.
Ijebu, Ìjẹ̀bú èmi ò ń dá sọ̀rọ̀ tí mi ò wà related to uncle. Ìbàdàn bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn ààrẹ ọba fín.
The whole Balógun of Ìlúpéjú Èkìtì màlẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ yìí. The powerful Mayegun of Yorùbá land.
Ṣé ọba ìṣẹ́rí ló rò pé wọ́n fẹ́ jẹ ní àbọ̀bá ìbò ló rò pé wọ́n fẹ́ jẹ?
Àǹtí mo wá sí ìdílé gan-an.
Mo dẹ́ kú o. Wàhálà wà o. Bàbá ìdí. Ó ti fọ́ tébù. Tébù ẹsẹ̀ tébù ti kọ́.
Irú rẹ̀ ṣe rí ẹ.
Ṣùgbọ́n mọ́mọ́ mi ò pé ní òun rán anybody.
Ó gbójú jáde ní.
Sípẹ́ ní fún.
Ẹ máa wọrí. Yóò tí ètò máa tó ṣe.
Ṣẹ́rí.
Títí bàbá ti jọba ẹ máa wọrí. Ẹ̀yin náà máa wà lọ.
Ṣẹ́rí kìsẹ́ tí ò lè jẹ ọba.
Ò lè jẹ nothing. I'm still saying
Tí ò lè jẹ ọba. Ká máa wò.
Mr. Kọ́láwọlé, ẹ̀yin ẹ wà lókè tí ẹ ṣáà máa wòrán tí yín o, ẹ máa lẹ́yìn. Ẹ̀sùn ìbáyìí. The same thing I'm saying. Mr. Kọ́láwọlé, excuse me, Mr. Kọ́láwọlé. Àwọn socialite lọ sọ̀rọ̀.
Jẹ́jẹ́ you are just destroying neighborhood by mentioning Ìwó.
Fẹ́wọ̀n a máa sọ ìdánilẹ́jọ́.
Ẹ wá ẹ má jẹ́ mi ò fẹ́ jà bí báyìí o. Èmi ni host please everybody. Ṣẹ́rí ẹ̀yin méjì yìí ẹjọ́ mo bẹ̀ yín mi ò. Ẹ mọ̀ pé Adédayọ̀ never talk ẹjọ́.
Follower. You can't use this platform.
Mr. Ewedu, please.
Ti mí ni Mr. Kọ́láwọlé tẹ́lẹ̀.
Kò yé mi àǹtí mi.
This program. Àwọn èèyàn sọ̀rọ̀ point ń bà.
Ẹ má jẹ́ àjà ẹjọ́. I love this program. I enjoy it. I am learning. Please, ẹ má attack ara yín. I'm begging you, please. Please.
Stop that nonsense.
Ẹni pé màá jẹ́ káwọn obìnrin sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀yin ọkùnrin mi jẹ́ àní ìdí ẹ̀ náà.
I don't mind. I'm so nonsense. So
Oh, sir, I'm going to drop you, sir. Mi ò fẹ́ jà. I'm begging. Can you mute yourself? Sister Daru, go ahead, man. Go ahead, man.
Ẹ mọ̀ kó tó ṣẹlẹ̀, ẹni sùúrù. Mr. Awujale, Mr. Kọ́láwọlé, ẹ jẹ́ tẹ́ bá ti ń bára yín jà, ọkùnrin ní gbogbo wa, ẹ má jẹ́ kí ó wà òbí ọ̀sìn bẹ́ẹ̀ bára yín jà. Making his point. Mr. Kọ́láwọlé, I'm being neutral in this, sir. I'm being neutral in this case. I'm at FIP. Ẹni sùúrù ẹ̀jẹ̀ ń sọ tèmi. The thing is, he's calling your name to drive out his own points. So you understand? Ìjà tó bá lè wà láàrin ẹ̀yin méjèèjì, you just need to know him before. No, neither do you know me. You understand? Sir. You understand? The thing is, hold on, Mr. Kọ́láwọlé. Please let me land. Hold on, let me land. The truth of the matter is, we are in a community where everybody is expressing their mind. And you understand, we are in the community where even the person that doesn't know is speaking our own mind. Everybody is listening. And you came in, you said, oh, that's a good point. Everybody nodded their head. Good point. When Mr. Wooden was talking, he was trying to point what you were saying, only for you to say, you should not call your name. You understand? Everybody is looking at you. Whether you are just believe make a ginger, who have different motive. You understand? Let us be realistic. Let us be, make things.
Thank you, sir.
Clear.
Thank you, sir. Can I express myself, sir?
Yes, I can hear you.
Since when he has been talking, did I mention his name? The first time he came out, in fact, if not because of Sister Aderonke, I saw from Facebook, that was what made me come. She just came to attack me, calling my name, telling me, announcing the kind of.
You can see many people are on the show. Mr.
Woodin, ní sùúrù now.
Mr. Woodin, please let me make something.
This is Aderonke. I want to listen to it. I don't want to.
Mr.
Mr. Grateful.
Okay.
I will listen to you then. After that, I will log out from here.
I will listen to you so that it will not be as if I disrespect you. Let you listen to me. I'm not here to fight anybody.
Yes, I'm going to mute both of them.
The truth is, we are both mature men. We need to control our family. Tí àwọn bá tó bá jẹ́ ìyàwó ló ń bá yín sọ̀rọ̀. Tí ọmọ náà tó ń gbèjà ìyàwó àbí anything tí chaos fẹ́ wà. You as a man, you know how to deal with your family. You understand? You don't make things out of nothing. You understand? Because this thing is something that anybody can do. Mr. Woodin, and when he says no, Emma Borukawon, and what I was expecting you to say is, Emma be no, I just want to drive my point. You understand? That's what you have done. You should not be Yorubani openly waru.
Then, sir. That's a need Latin jam, but we're having fun.
We're having fun. We are talking about.
We're having fun. We're just sharing our own
opinion. It's not. I need that teacher. Lori.
Imagine.
Thank you very much, sir.
Sorry to the time I came here. I was about bringing a topic like
Hey, ẹ má change èmi ò fẹ́ yẹn. Ẹja dúró lórí K1. Ẹ má change, ẹ má gbé yẹn wá rárá. That one will come another day. Tó bá di lọ́la, a sọ̀rọ̀ nípa Adeleke àti Rẹ̀mí Tinubu.
Àwọn bèbí kan sọ pé ìyẹn wà lọ́pọ̀ tèmi.
Wàhálà wà Nàìjíríà.
So when we are now talking about Kwam, èmi gan expect pé Kwam pẹ̀lú oyè tó ń fún pé ó tún lè fẹ́ kó fẹ́ jẹ.
Awujale máa lápè.
So I understand. The thing is,
Uncle, Ejes, I give my submission before I go so that I can give you all the time, Ejo. Terry, nínú àwọn commenters yẹn wọ́n sọ wípé anybody ló lè jọba. It's true, anybody ló lè jọba. But nǹkan tí mo kò fẹ́ kí I understand ni pé kò sẹ́ni tí ò lè joyè, kò sẹ́ni tí ò lè jọba. Ayé ìgbà kan wà tó jẹ́ pé Yorùbá land Ifá la depend on. Ṣé ti understand?
Ojú Ifá ti fọ́.
Nígbà tí òsì máa ń ìgbà tí fádà ti ń wọ Canada wọ.
Wọ́n wọ London kò kí Ifá ò rí àwọn ará Nàìjíríà.
Sá ti ń lo nationality.
Ifá Ogun State ma. Ifá Ogun State òní blood Gàpá Abíọ́dún.
Èwo tó ní mojúkọ òun yìí ẹ gbà mí. Madam Martin ẹ ṣì ní sùúrù ẹ jẹ́ kí Sister Daru kẹ́ finish.
Ṣé máa mute ẹni tí ìgbà sọ̀rọ̀ fún now?
Ẹ jọ ẹ mute Sister Daru kẹ́ go ahead after you. Grateful heart. Say grateful. Yeah, it's grateful heart.
Disrespect Wasiu or anything. We're just airing our opinions. One, we're just trying to say, one, if you're the mom who to say, you understand? 1, 2, everybody, man, one level there. Sharing elites in Ijebu land, one share literate in Ijebu, come out by that route. Kilo first submit. Let's start from there. It looks to me like a slap on the face. They will take a step. Oh, no, you got to move one share. How
dẹ̀ lè jẹ́ pé wọ́n cash cruise o.
Nǹkan tí mo rò nìyẹn pé because mo rò pé gbogbo the whole of Ìjẹ̀bú yẹn o dẹ̀ fi bá wọn náà dà o dẹ̀ step out.
Ọba Awujale tó wà jà òun ló ṣe sorry to use this word òun ló ṣe mistake. Mọ wáyé ó ti fi.
Ṣé olórí ọmọọba?
Ti fi kó àmúṣe olórí ọmọ.
Jẹ́ má bínú tí ọmọọba yẹn ò mí ìbọ̀wọ̀n àti ìjọba lọ́nà.
Mo wá bèrè lọ́wọ́ àwọn ọmọ Ìjẹ̀bú. Mo bèrè lọ́wọ́ àwọn ọmọ Ìjẹ̀bú pé kí ni fún ọyẹ ọmọọba tó fún yẹn. Wọ́n ní ó dàbí next in king. Ṣé you understand next in king? So ìyẹn ló ti wà lórí ẹ̀. Ẹ rí pé nígbà tí ìyá ìkú táwọn
àfáàyàn ó yarí kọ́ lọ lóhùn ní apologize kò dé apologize ló wá ganu sí kò apologize dọ́là.
You understand gbogbo àwọn ìwà tó wù ìwà pé ọba lọ́la lò. Say you understand? And the truth is, if you want to learn, we should learn from their core kidney because by la ṣe lu wa ewo bomi. So you understand? Because him as a person is a potential king. You understand? Tabanika wo antecedent bó ṣe ń tó bọ̀. Ọba tó dẹ̀ fi yẹ ọba tí mo kó máa wàjà ta ló máa tẹ̀lé olórí ọmọ ọba. Because ní Ìjẹ̀bú a rí àwọn ọ̀tún ọba kíní kan ọba àwọn ọmọ kékeré dẹ̀ ni wọ́n dẹ̀ pé wọn sí group ni. So when I now ask ẹ̀gbọ́n kan náà ló yẹ kó jẹ́ very popular person báyìí ni.
Gbà lọ́wọ́ èèyàn fún ni wàhálà wà o.
Ó tẹ̀ níyàn kan ló tẹ̀ yẹ kó jẹ́ ẹ̀sìn but very popular person ní Ìjẹ̀bú ni. You understand? Pé òun kankan ló oyè yẹn kàn either we like it or not òun ló yẹ òun máa jẹ́ but kìíní lè lọ fà wá láti ọ̀dọ̀ Tinubu torí Tinubu can influence.
Bọ̀ ìgbà tó jẹ olórí ọmọ ọba kò sí Tinubu ń bẹ̀ o.
No, èmi sọ fún yín kó lè influence oyè yẹn because I.
Ṣé Awujale àbí olórí ọmọ ọba?
No, Awujale gbọ́ngàn fúnra ẹ̀.
Ìyẹn mi ò dá òtún yẹn ó lè jọba.
Àwọn náà mo sọ fún pé Tinubu lè.
Ó máa announce apariwo títí àwọn Ìjẹ̀bú halẹ̀ ìlú dá méjì tọba làwa ó ṣe abóyè yìí jẹ ni.
Mo ti ṣetán wíìlì mo ti ṣetán. Nígbà tí wọ́n fẹ́ fi bàbá ìjọ ọba Ọọ̀ni òrìṣà wọ́n fẹ́ fi jọba nífẹ̀ẹ́. Mo Tinubu ní Ọọ̀ni. Mo Tinubu gbèjé 5 and 6. Òye yín. Gbogbo wọ́n ti ralẹ̀ ní ìfọ̀ pé no èèyàn kan ló máa fi ṣe. Wọn ò mọ Ọọ̀ni òrìṣà gangan pé ó ń bọ̀ wọn ò mọ̀ pé Ògúnwùsì ń bọ̀. Ògúnwùsì kọ́kọ́ lọ fà látọ̀dọ̀ Tinubu kó gbogbo àwọn ọba àwọn ìjòyè yẹn wọ́n kó wọn mọ́ra. Àwọn ọ̀gá tí wọ́n fi wá kí gbogbo ètò ìfẹ́ ó wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ṣe transformer sí nùsàntánì gbogbo Ifẹ̀ kò yẹ yọ sáà tún gbogbo Ifẹ̀ ṣe àwọn Ifẹ̀ ni ẹni tí olówó kan tó fẹ́ jọba ti wà nílùú o olówó kan tó fẹ́ jọba ti wà nílùú o at the end bó ṣe fi gbogbo kìnìyàn.
Oh my God, Sanji.
Gbogbo OAU àti mọ̀ ẹ́ pé Ògúnwùsì ló fẹ́ jọba because ká bá wo OAU ọba gangan lórí yunifásitì wa ẹ tó bá mọ OAU dáadáa because Adérẹ̀mí nígbà tó ń gbé OAU wọ tó ń gbé wọ sí wá sí Ifẹ̀ gbogbo ilẹ̀ tẹ́rí pé OAU nìyẹn pátápátá ọba ló fún wọn so influence yẹn òun ni Ògúnwùsì ní dọ̀là pé ọba àná which is
ọba Síjú-Adé
agbára tí
Olúbùṣeun
òun gbogbo ni Ògúnwùsì ń lò gidi ní Ifẹ̀ ń sìn ó ń lò débi pé kò síbi tẹ́ máa dé tẹ́ ní rí facility Ògúnwùsì ní Ifẹ̀.
Bọ̀ tí nǹkan ìyàtọ̀ tó wà nínú eléyìí àwọn ìdí ti àwọn Ògúnwùsì ni ọba kàn nígbà tó jọ so ó yàtọ̀ rárá ṣẹ́tìrí.
Sọ wípé ṣẹ́rí gbogbo kìíní yìí ó ti létò sílẹ̀ ìdílé kọ̀ọ̀kan.
Ṣẹ́rí ká ní ìdílé ẹ̀ ní ìsìn ká ní bó ṣe ń pariwo fìdípọ̀tẹ̀ fún gbogbo Nàìjíríà.
Ìdílé ò ṣe.
Ṣẹ́rí bó ṣe ń pariwo fìdípọ̀tẹ̀ fún gbogbo Nàìjíríà ká ní oyè yẹn fìdípọ̀tẹ̀ ló kàn ní kò sí nǹkan tá a fẹ́ ṣe sí.
Láti ọba ti máa jáde.
Wọ́n ní fún ọba ní fún ọba kò sí nǹkan tí mo sọ wọ́n ti tó láti palace ni.
Ẹ mọ̀ pé Mr. Charles is from Ìjẹ̀bú Òde ẹ jẹ́ kán ó dẹ̀ fẹ́ ti sọ nǹkan tó ń fẹ́ dá sí mbẹ̀.
Ẹ sọ̀rọ̀ mi lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ẹ jẹ́ parí ọ̀rọ̀ mi lẹ́kọ̀ọ́.
Go ahead, sir.
Àpọ́dé mi tí mò ń sọ lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ni pé ẹ̀rí ẹ báyìí ká fi sentiment sí kìíní. It's not about whether you like Wasiu or you don't like K1 whatever. Bó dé ṣàlàyé kìíní yẹn bó ṣe ń tò. Ìdílé Fúṣẹ̀gun wa ló kàn báyìí. Àwọn ọ̀dẹ̀ ló máa mú.
You can't pick your call. Go on TikTok. Èèyàn tó ń pè mí ẹ jẹ́ má bínú sà. ìwọ tó ń pè mí mọ̀ pé látòrí Facebook tó ń pè mí yẹn tó bá fẹ́ pè sórí nọ́mbà yìí má pè sí nọ́mbà tó ń pè yẹn mi ní lè gbé ẹ pè sórí nọ́mbà eléyìí tó bá fẹ́ pè ẹ pè sórí WhatsApp nọ́mbà eléyìí I can't pick your call this number go ahead sir Mr. Sharis go ahead.
Yeah, so we just saw me make that sentiment see it's natural about come and like see one come and eat was you. What is by the side? We are looking at the processes where it might peak. Me Ijebu land, we go sort of wonder if I could anything. Everything to the process. But when the next my boy tell around. After I did like and see Fushebu house, look for. What after Fushebu house? Oh my God, Fidepote. After Fidepote, oh my God, bring the poor.
This will ask padà sí ọ̀rọ̀ Adékìláyà yẹn again. Okay, máa pè yín mo mọ nọ́mbà yín yìí máa pè yín. Ẹ máa go ahead. Go ahead.
So, every for Oba Awujale, I didn't know to Pajai. He spent 65 years. He has been the longest training monarch in the history of Ijebu land. You know that far. It's like he can come and say,
ó jẹ́ ọlọ́mọdé ni.
You know, Awujale, but what's all your good job by him? Bye, the good job by him. Bye. Bye, go go in. No talk, but Baba found one select. Commission anyway, I won't know what during the Western region. They wanted a kind of modernization of his tool. What if I took Kabi? You understand? So, Adesoya, who was well learned as well. But he didn't talk on when he was sent to the exposure. So, Kilo Shelley, Chief Adiola Obitola, to help Benoja, Mijabula at that time. Baba Awujale, he was actually 25 years old, studying accounting in London. He want to be a coach of Veja with an by ego.
Ó ló sá lọ ni. Wọ́n lẹ́ni ẹlẹ́ni sá lọ ni.
With that was salon, he went to study abroad. He was studying abroad when they went to pick him. You understand? So we are next in line with the tree. It was his father. But his father was an illiterate, he was not learned, and he was old. Of old age. So I don't know we influence it, okay. We want to modernize this tree. We want somebody that can have influence. So what's reading so in terms of he was saying which is not going to you need actually to prove your lineage. As long as you can prove your lineage to that
he can't prove it.
Title.
He can't.
So
ó ti jáde wọ́n ti gbé kinní wọ́n ti gbé lẹ́tà wà ń ta ẹ̀ tí ká gbogbo ibi tó ti wá ń ta náà.
Oh, okay, we have a very serious. But you got to make us only paper. Don't talk about only one of the Fidepote. Don't even claim Fushebu. We have to prove those links to those two. What's missing? Not to repay Fidepote. Oh, they not true Fidepote. Don't even claim beside the Fushebu. You understand?
Then they say he has proved his lineage. Oh no, mo lè ka nǹkan tó he hasn't proved it. They said 7. wọ́n ní kó proof ẹ̀ dé ìran keje information tó wà níta kàn dárúkọ bàbá ẹ̀ dárúkọ ìyá ẹ̀ dárúkọ ibi tó ti wá nínú ibẹ̀ ó tán.
Now wọ́n ti release another letter tí a tún kà lọ́lẹ́ pé time they giving him is up and he has not responded.
Exactly.
Yeah.
This night because we follow it up. They in fact it's online. The guy posted it again to say we have given you time.
They extended it to today. The deadline.
He has still not represented himself or put anything down so far. So we don't know what level we are influence the Governor, President, Ijebu is not like any other. Come back and Jabba, they are bashing or to go to one. Provide you what we have our own, but only people don't be finding out what some